Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. Before I begin, I would like to say that I am filling in for SPC Convictive Outlook as he's currently busy right now and will not be able to do the Day 2 severe weather outlook today. So, anyway, I'm filling in for him, we have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses far northeastern Texas, most of Arkansas, southeastern Missouri, the southern third of Illinois, southwestern half of Indiana, the western half of Kentucky, the western half of Tennessee, northwestern Alabama, northern half of Mississippi, and northern Louisiana. Cities and towards enhanced include Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Louisville, Kentucky, and Shreveport, Louisiana. Areas in the yellow are on a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow. Alright, the slight is the yellow. The orange, by the way, is the enhanced, which I just went over. And the marginal is in the dark green. Alright, the marginal is in the dark green. Cities in tomorrow's slight include Chicago, Illinois, New Orleans, Louisiana, Atlanta, Georgia, St. Louis, Missouri, and Toledo, Ohio. And cities in tomorrow's marginal include Houston, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, Charlotte, North Carolina, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat. There is a 10% chance of tornadoes tomorrow in the yellow. The 10% tornado risk area tomorrow encompasses far northeastern Louisiana, eastern Arkansas, far southeastern Missouri, far southeastern Illinois, southwestern Kentucky, the western third of Tennessee, northwestern Alabama, and northern Mississippi. Cities in the 10% tornado risk area tomorrow include Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Clarksville, Tennessee, Jackson, Tennessee, and Owensboro, Kentucky. Areas in the brown are on a 5% chance of tornadoes tomorrow, okay? And areas in the dark green are on a 2% chance of tornadoes tomorrow. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Indianapolis, Indiana, Atlanta, Georgia, Louisville, Kentucky, Birmingham, Alabama, and Montgomery, Alabama. The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Columbus, Ohio, Charlotte, North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina, and St. Louis, Missouri. Now, if you look at the black dashed area is a level 1 of 3 on the tornado index scale. The black dashed area is the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger tomorrow. Alright, and encompasses pretty much most of the tornado risk area, period. The black dashed area again, highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger. I could go up to EF2 rating, maybe EF3, but more likely EF1 to EF2 variety. Cities in the black dashed area, aka level 1 of 3 tornado risk tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Memphis, Tennessee, and Charlotte, North Carolina. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow, there is a 45% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, and that's in the pink area. The 45% wind risk area tomorrow includes eastern Arkansas, far southeastern Missouri, southeastern Illinois, southwestern Indiana, southwestern Kentucky, western Tennessee, the far northwestern corner of Alabama, and northern Mississippi. Cities in the 45% wind risk area tomorrow include Memphis, Tennessee, Evansville, Indiana, Clarksville, Tennessee, Jackson, Tennessee, and Jonesboro, Arkansas. Okay? Areas in the red are on a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. Alright, in the red area. The yellow area is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. And the brown is the 5% wind risk tomorrow. Cities in the 30% wind risk area tomorrow include Indianapolis, Indiana, Nashville, Tennessee, Louisville, Kentucky, Shreveport, Louisiana, Come on. And Little Rock, Arkansas. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, New Orleans, Louisiana, Atlanta, Georgia, St. Louis, Missouri, and Toledo, Ohio. And the 5% wind risk tomorrow includes Houston, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Jacksonville, Florida, Columbus, Ohio, and Charlotte, North Carolina. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, there's a black dashed area in here that is a level 1 of 3 on the wind scale. The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force thunderstorm gusts of 74 miles per hour or stronger tomorrow. Alright, in the black dashed. Alright, I'm not saying it can't happen anywhere else in the wind risk tomorrow. It's just the highest potential for the hurricane force gusts from thunderstorms is in the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed area, but still in a wind risk, could see wind gusts 60, 65 miles per hour, maybe 70, okay? Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, and Memphis, Tennessee. Now to the hail threat. There are 2 areas where there are 2 yellow areas for tomorrow. There are 2 yellow areas for tomorrow, meaning 15% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow in the yellows. And there are 3 brown areas, meaning a 5% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. Alright? Cities in the 15% hail risk areas tomorrow include Memphis, Tennessee, Montgomery, Alabama, Shreveport, Louisiana, Mobile, Alabama, and Bossier City, Louisiana. And areas in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow include Houston, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Atlanta, Georgia, Tampa, Florida, and Birmingham, Alabama. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is a level 1 of 2 on the hail risk scale. The black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow in the black dashed area. Alright, I'm not saying it can happen anywhere else in the hail risk area for tomorrow. It's just the highest potential for 2 inch in diameter hail or larger tomorrow is in the black dashed area. Other hail risk areas could see hail of 1 to maybe 1.5 inches in diameter tomorrow. So, cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Memphis, Tennessee, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Montgomery, Alabama, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Mobile, Alabama. So, in summary, scattered to widespread damaging winds along with tornadoes should develop on Sunday afternoon, persisting through Sunday night across a large portion of the south, central, and southeast states into the Midwest and Ohio Valley. The greatest strong tornado and significant severe wind threats appear to be from the Arkla mist to the lower Ohio Valley on Sunday evening. So that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and because tomorrow looks to be a very, very busy day for severe weather. And before you go to bed tomorrow night, make sure you have a way of being notified to wake you up tomorrow night to go to your safe spot in case a warning is issued, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. And if possible, sleep in your safe spot tomorrow night to avoid having to move during the night tomorrow night. And have a way of being notified during the day tomorrow too. Again, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. So stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in, and SPC Convective Outlooks will fill in for me for the day 1 severe weather outlook video tomorrow morning. Take care.